Have you ever wondered what is this button for? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel at Ace Electricals. In today's episode, we're just going to focus on this button called cool short button or cold short button. So you'll find it in most hair dryers, more especially the domestic hair dryers. They use this button to help you cool off the dryer, the element of the dryer. So in most cases you find that, more especially with small domestic hair dryers, you run it for a minute and then after a minute or so you find that it shuts down. It completely shuts down. It doesn't want to continue working, so you have to let it cool off for about 5 minutes before you can continue. So in order for you to avoid that, so for every 30 seconds when you're busy using the dryer, you should press and hold this button to help cool off the element. This button is very important for domestic hair dryers. So other hair dryers that are used, saloon, professional hair dryers, mostly don't have this button. They can automatically regulate the temperature. So but for domestic, in order for your hair dryer to last you longer, you need to use this button. For every 30 seconds, hold it for about 10 to 20 seconds. Then your dryer will never experience any problems of overheating and other things. So this button helps your hair dryer not to overheat. Thank you for watching. Remember, at Ace Electricals, we sell brand new appliances and electronics. We buy and resell. We do repairs. We also educate people on how to use appliances effectively. In order for you to help us grow this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, and share in order for this channel to grow and reach more subscribers, in order to spread the word of gospel in educating our people on how to use appliances effectively. Thank you so much. See you on the next episode. Bye.